Hi guys! Today I'm taking you with me and I will show you how I take my Insta pictures. Generally I prefer to take my pictures in the afternoon or in the evening and not in the morning because in the morning the light is a bit weird. Let's just dive right into it. For me, when I take my photos, the most important thing is the light. Because when the light is good, it's just easy as a piece of cake. But if it's not, it's kind of hard and annoying. So yeah, come with me. I'm also gonna show you my fit. It's all black. Jürgen, would you mind holding the camera? Okay, so I have a really cute bag. And I have really wide pants, look. You get the idea. The thing is that if I wear an outfit like this, I always pay attention to different things. Like for example, with this outfit, I can do something cute with the bag. So I would kind of take like a side picture all from the bag. And the pants make my legs look really long. So that could also be a cute situation. You know, I always try to find something that could be cool or cute on a photo. Let's go outside. The thing is, it's sunny, it's like evening, so it will be super packed, which is like always tricky, but we will manage. We will do this together. We can do it. And I will take my bag. So let's go. We are at a street that I like because it's empty, but the light is so-so. Are we gonna try? I don't think so.
I think it's still too early, to be honest. The light is so white.
I think it's just really dark. Like, I'm not even sure if you can see me. So this is not a photo spot, but it might look different through the phone, so let's see. Hi, Ruth. Oh, this is the street that I like. Oh, and the light. It's so bright. This is actually nice. Maybe we can take a photo here. Shall we try? Okay, let's set it up. Okay, so I think that I found something where I like the light. And you can already see on camera, it's better light. You know what I mean. Let's try. It's a bit busy. What do you think, Jürgen?
Yeah, I think it will be an easy shot.
We have a theory. So, you know, a lot of times we discover streets that are empty, like nobody's here, maybe a few people. And I noticed this already years ago, and this theory kept to be proven right. And suddenly, it just becomes the busiest street ever. That's what just happened. We have it on camera. Okay, let's go!
By the way, we use burst for everyone who didn't just see it.
We use burst, so Jürgen just press the button, I move, and then we hope one of these pictures will look nice.
There's just a higher chance for me that I don't miss a moment, you know?
But I just told him that I don't look long enough, and you know, everybody thinks I'm taller when they meet me in real life. They're like, oh my god, I thought you're taller! And it's all about the angle, so you will try.
I will try.
Make me look taller, Jürgen!
I will do it again.
I need to deceive people that I'm really tall.
Rue is also not in a good mood right now. I think it's too warm and she just wants to chill.
Yeah, let's try again. See, busiest street ever. Alright, let's check. It's better. The one where I run away is pretty cool. Okay, I have an idea. I will lean against this thing, so let's try this. That's quite cool, look. I look really low. Oh, this is cool, look. See what I did there with my leg? This is cool. I really prefer full body, so let's do full body again. And I really like when I'm in the middle, you know? Lol. These are so cool. So usually when we shoot, I'm already good. So how long did it take us? I think like 5 minutes, right? 6 minutes. Minus 1 minute trying to set up, so 5 minutes. I only need like 5 minutes to shoot. But because I'm showing you how I'm shooting, I will try one more location. Like sometimes when I'm in the mood, I try several locations. So let's try the next location. Also, my fit is so good, it deserves 2 locations. This is so pretty. One of my favorite locations in Paris. And we go straight through here. Can you guess where we are? Ooh, it's so pretty. And it's not even that packed. I want to do here. This is actually one of my favorite locations to shoot because the light, oh gosh. Okay, the light here is so incredible. I think from this side. I don't know if you can tell, but Jürgen, there's like people in the background shooting.
But should we do it now or not? Because Rue is also seeing other dogs and it's getting
oh boy.
intense.
See, that's like, are we gonna wait? Or maybe we shoot and like we try to hide them. Because they're not shooting like pictures like us, they're just shooting, actually they're shooting in the other direction, so let's try. It's a bit uneven, but let's try, guys. Let's try.
Yeah, this is actually cool. And go.
Usually it's always helpful when Jürgen says something like, yes, or this is good, or no, change your leg, but most of the time...
I'm just quiet, enjoying.
Let me check the photos. They're not bad, but there's potential. Again, I don't look long enough. It's okay, I don't always have to look long, but we can do better, you know what I mean? Like, let's do better. And maybe I go more in. Let's see. Yes. See, this looks already much better. Oh my god, guys, I look so long, but my eyes are closed, so I fucked it up. But look how long, guys.
Why did you close your eyes? No, there was nothing about
this. Is what I'm talking about. This excites me. Oh, this is a cool picture. Oh, these are really cool, Jürgen. I love. Okay, let's do one more, and then we have it.
And then we play Rue.
Yes. Okay, this round was how long? 3 minutes. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I want to tell this quote because people are like, oh my god, you only need a few minutes to shoot a picture and you get so much money for it. And then there's the story about Pablo Picasso, remember?
Never heard. Who's that?
Okay, so Pablo Picasso, he did a lot of like artworks and he did a lot. And then he sold them for like quite a lot of money. And then somebody said, but Pablo, why do you sell this for so much money? It only took you 10 minutes. Or no, it only took you 4 minutes to make or 40 minutes to make. And Pablo replied, yes, but it took me 40 years to become that artist to sell this. And I think I'm a really bad storyteller, but you get the point, you know? People don't see that the amount of time it took me and other influencers to build the platform. You know, it didn't happen overnight and then I just take pictures and that's that. There's like a lot of years of work behind. So, and also with time you just get better. You just know your angles. Oh my god, this is pretty! We should have taken a photo here next time. No, but it's all like a matter of experience and like your style. And I know there's people who take much longer than me, which is also okay, you know, I'm German, I need efficiency. So yeah. Hi, are you fine? Are you fine with taking pictures? No, okay, so I give you some tips. So tip number 1, shoot during sunset. It will make your life so much easier. That's like my my number 1 tip for efficiency because the light is beautiful, even against the sun. Like I love shooting against the sun because I think it's nice. I really like, my least favorite is to shoot when it's gray. And I also see like cities have different colors. Like LA has such a beautiful color. Paris has a very beigey vibe. Mallorca, where I just was, it has like a orangey vibe. Hamburg has a grayish vibe. Like all these cities have different colors. I think it's like the accumulation of the buildings. I don't know how to explain it. And then I think the burst is really helpful because you can just move and that's how you create the like spontaneous photos. And you know, when I started doing these photos like 5 years ago, it wasn't like all over Instagram. So people were like, oh my god, let's take some Xenia photos, where they were like, oh, let's walk and like move and take a picture of this. And I didn't even invent that, but it was already very early one of my photo styles that also helped me grow on Instagram, because back then it was kind of new-ish, you know? Does that make sense? Okay, so one thing, if I shoot and I realize it's not going anywhere, you don't need to try like 10 more locations than just, if you can, like if it's not important, try some other time. Because honestly, sometimes I get really stressed when taking photos, and Jürgen and I can get in fights because, just as you just saw, when he's engaged, I'm like happy because I know what to do. Like he was like, put your leg out, da-da-da. Many times he just doesn't say anything. And then I'm like, but I had my hair like this, why didn't you tell me? And I get really frustrated. He's like nodding.
It happens.
Yeah, but honestly, I do get frustrated easily. Usually I don't get frustrated easily, but if you don't engage and help me try to take the photo, I kinda get frustrated. But that's another thing. I think every couple that shoots photos together has one or two stories they can relate to, you know, it's like a couple thing. I started shooting with another photographer because Jürgen sometimes is so busy because of a tire that he didn't have time to shoot me at all. So I started shooting with a guy that I hired and it works super well and we're like so fast. Like sometimes we shoot like 1 minute and I'm like, this shouldn't be that fast. Let's try a few more, but then I end up taking the first pictures that we took. I think if it's more effortless, you can see on the picture, you know, does that make sense? Like more natural. And if you don't have anybody to shoot, get a tripod. I can link one for you that I really like. And you can also set up a burst on the tripod. And then you have 10 seconds, you run away, and then it starts the countdown, and then you try to move or jump, and then it will take your photo. Oh, and also the reason why for me light is so important, I barely edit my photos. Like most of the times I don't even edit them. Like sometimes I make them warmer or colder, or I put the contrast up or down, or I change the brightness, I make it brighter or darker, but I don't use a filter, like very rarely. And then what else? Have fun. You know, that's always important. Have fun. That's like a note to me. Because you know, when I started, I did it just for the love of taking photos. I already took photos when there was no Instagram. I took them for Facebook for nobody to see, basically. And I just loved it, and I feel like sometimes what makes me a bit sad, I mean, not really, but when it becomes a business, you kind of lose the art of it, you know? So you need to find a balance between the business and the art side. Because honestly, if there was no likes and no like business, I'm not sure if my photos would be exactly the same as they are right now. You know what I mean? And that's just me, I'm being brutally honest here. And if you're an influencer, you know exactly what I mean. See, the light is beautiful. All right, I'm gonna put my mask on. We're gonna go to the park and I hope to see you soon. And here's the photo. We can put in the final photo. Ding! That I posted.
Oh.
Bye!
Bye!